How's it going, guys? Jimmy at E-Autosports here. Today we are checking out some Cusco 6-point FHR harness. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it does come with an English instructions. When I look at the product, I also ask about what is FHR. FHR is essentially this 2-inch belt. If you have a 6-point or non-FHR version, this is 3-inch all the way. So this is for your hands device, so when it go over the hands device, it won't slip off. Usually the hands device fits a 2-inch belt only. A 3-inch would fit, but it's a little bit tight. If you are racing and have a hands device, this is the go-to belt. The NRG has a similar design too, I remember. Class 8.8 hardware. Yellow pull strap. There's like a small Velcro here. I wonder what it is. Let me look at the instructions later. Let's check out the cam lock. See how easy it is to open it. It's pretty easy. Oh, okay. It locks in both directions, so let's see. It's open. It's open. Just snap. Yeah, satisfying. Yeah. And to unlock. Nice. I've made videos with other 6-point harnesses as well, like the NRG and the Brom and the Cypher, and this one feels really good compared to the others. Their sticker would fall off, and yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but this one's just nicer. Alright guys, that's it for today's short video. If you want to get one of these for yourself, feel free to contact us at e-autosports.com or visit our Instagram, Facebook, or give us a call. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.